Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth mutton only way. Roast bones at 425 degrees F until deeply browned, then move to a large stock pot and cover with cold water. Add onion, carrot, celery, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and a few peppercorns. Skim foam during the first hour, then simmer very gently for 12 to 24 hours. Strain, cool, and refrigerate. Gather bones like neck, knuckle, and marrow for deep flavor and gelatin. Trim excess meat but leave some connective tissue. Use cold water to cover bones by 1 to 2 inches and add 2 tablespoons vinegar to aid mineral extraction. Toss in onion, carrot, celery, bay leaf, and a few peppercorns. Keep seasoning minimal until the end to control final saltiness. After roasting, start with cold water and bring to a gentle simmer, not a boil. Maintain a barely moving surface so impurities settle and the broth stays clear. Skim foam in the first hour, then reduce heat and cook for 12 to 24 hours, adjusting for bone size. Cool slightly, strain through a fine sieve, and chill to separate fat for storage and better clarity before reheating for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.